onion in the small pieces. Peel the green peas. I have already peeled. Now the time to chop paneer. For 70 gram Maggi, we need 20 gram paneer. Chop the paneer into small pieces. Now turn on the stove. Pour some oil. Fry the pieces of paneer till they change their color. Now our all ingredients are ready. Fry the onion. Mix the paneer and peas. Mix it well. Pour a glass of water. Now add our Maggi into the water. Now add our Maggi masala. Mix it well. Now wait for just 2 minutes. Now throw wet garbage and dry garbage in the dustbin separately. Now our paneer Maggi is ready. Yummy!